Say, something like this happened in Santa Cruz last year. The town was just covered with seagulls.
Please finish your drink.
That's right, sir. I recall it. A large flock of seagulls got lost in the fog and headed into the town where all the lights were.
And they made some mess, too, smashing into buildings and everything. And they always make a mess.
The point is that no one seemed to be upset about it. They were all gone next morning, just as though nothing at all had happened. Poor things.
I'm leaving. Are you coming?
All right. Well, hope you folks figure this thing out.
It's the end of the world.
Well, I better get back to the cannery. What do I owe you, Deke?
This is Sebastian. Hold a minute.
Huh?
I don't want to be an alarmist
Well,
about
no one
this.
ever said you were, Mitch.
I think we're in real trouble.
Huh?
I don't know how this started or why, but I know it's here, and we'd be crazy to ignore it.
To ignore what? The bird war?
Yes, the bird war, the bird attack. Call it what you like. They're massing out there someplace, and they'll be back. You can count on it.
Ridiculous.
Come here. Unless we do something right now, unless we get Bodega Bay on the move,
Look, Mitch. Even if this is true, even if all
Well, don't
those
you
birds-
believe it's true?
No, Mitch, frankly, I don't. Well, there's no reason.
Well, it's happening. Isn't that a reason?
I like Bodega Bay as well as the next
Fine, then
man,
help
and I
me.
can't...
Look, you're an important man in this town. If you help, they all will.
Help how? What do you want to do?
Mrs. Bundy said something about Santa Cruz, about seagulls getting lost in a fog and then flying in towards the lights.
We don't have any fog this time of year.
Make our own fog.
How do you figure to do that?
We can use smoke pots the way the Army uses them.
Look.
They're attacking again. Well, Melanie, you stay in here. Come on, Al.
Look at the gas. That man's lighting a cigar.
Hey, you! Watch out! Don't drop that match! Look out! Get on there!
Mister, run!
Watch out!
Mister,
Look out! Look out! Watch out!
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.